Are you a purpose-driven business owner who wants to create videos that will help you get more customers into your business, but you're not quite sure where to start? You're not sure what kinds of videos will be most effective in attracting those new customers? I hear you. It can be tough to know what kind of video content will resonate with your potential customers and prompt them to take action, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you a rundown of 3 types of videos that are most likely to result in more business for you. By the way, if you want the show notes to this video, just drop the words "remind me" in the comments below and I'll send them over to you just as soon as I can. And if you've not met me before, I'm Jeremy. I'm a professional video creator with 25 years of experience in broadcast TV. I've also been a business owner for the past 18 years. I help business owners create videos that get them clients using my professional expertise and insights, coupled with my business owning experience, empowering purpose-driven business owners to use video within their businesses so they can flourish and grow. Video is one of the most powerful marketing tools available. How-to videos have become one of the most popular genres on YouTube, with billions of views being racked up daily. And this trend shows no signs of slowing down, which is great news for business owners who are looking at informing and educating their customers about how they can get the most out of the products or service that they offer. How-to videos are a great option because they provide valuable content that can help your viewers solve a problem that they're having. The key here is to make sure your video is content-rich and gets to the point quickly, with a running time of 2 to 3 minutes. And remember, these videos are all about the value. They're not sales pitches. The problem-solution video is one really effective format of how-to video. For example, you could create a video called "How to complete your tax return using Xero" if you're an accountant, or "How to fix a dripping tap the easy way" if you're a plumber, say. These kind of videos will help you build trust with your audience and show them that you're an expert in your field by demonstrating the breadth and depth of your knowledge. At MP Video Production, we are all about helping purpose-driven business owners like you get skilled up at creating your own video content for your business, so you can widen your reach online and demonstrate your expertise to the people that you can help. If you're genuinely committed to learning how video can help you and your business continue to get found and grow online, then we're here to support you in that, and we'd love to do so. Let's book a one-to-one discovery session with no catches or obligations. We'll have a look at your business, talk about what you've been doing up until now in terms of video, and see if or how we can help you. And if so, we can have that conversation at that point. So to book your no obligation discovery call, just go to the link below and schedule it directly in our diaries now. If you're interested, definitely get in touch. I'd really love to help. When it comes to product demonstration videos, it's important to focus on what the product or service can help your potential customers achieve, rather than just an endless list of features. Highlight how the product or service can resolve a particular problem. For example, a video demonstrating how your product or service can help save time and increase efficiency would be way more impactful than simply listing all of its features. Keep in mind that potential customers want to know how your product or service can benefit them, so make sure your videos focus on that. Talk about how the product or service can help your customers achieve their goals or solve a problem that they may have. For example, if you're demonstrating a new software program, you might say something like, "With this program, you can easily manage your finances and save time on paperwork." By highlighting the benefits of your product or service, you'll be way more likely to connect with potential customers and persuade them ultimately to give your product a try. Product comparison videos can also be extremely effective in helping potential customers make a decision. By weighing up the pros and cons of different products, they can see which one is the best fit for their needs. Again, these videos should be value-rich, ideally running for less than 4 minutes. They should be punchy and quick-paced, with the content focused on the audience's needs. As with all videos, product comparison videos should be created with the audience in mind. As a business video creator, you should never take your audience's time for granted, and all your videos should always lead with value first. The next kind of video is the customer testimonial video. Video is a super powerful tool that can help you build trust and credibility with potential clients. When you feature real customers talking about their experiences with your business, you create an immediate and deeper connection that is hard to match with other formats. These people are talking about what they experienced firsthand, so there's no room for doubt or confusion on how great something actually was. People are way more likely to trust the opinion of a fellow customer than they are to trust a company's marketing material. By featuring testimonials from satisfied customers in your video content, you can increase confidence in your brand and encourage potential customers to take that next step with you. Video is an incredibly powerful medium for sharing customer success stories. It allows people to see and hear first-hand accounts of the results that your business has been able to deliver. This makes it really easy for potential customers to imagine themselves in the same situation and start to see your business as the solution to their problem. Including customer testimonials in your video marketing is an essential part of any conversion strategy. And if you're looking for a way to boost your business, customer testimonials really are a brilliant place to start. To help you on your way right now, click on the video on top there, which will take you through the process of how you can create effective testimonial videos for your business. Please don't let equipment be a barrier to you starting to create your own video content as a business owner. You can start right now, start to build up those video creating muscles by using the camera in your pocket, your smartphone. So click on that video bottom right and I'll take you through exactly how you can start your business video creating journey right now. Make sure you take action, click on one of those videos that will help you take your business to the next level. In the meantime, thanks ever so much for watching. If you got value from it, please do like and subscribe for more business video creation goodness just like this. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheerio.